Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert the battery on GoPro Hero 13. So we need to find the side door for the battery. It is located on the opposite side of the power button or the mode button. At the bottom we have this plastic element and we need to use our finger or fingernails even, and we need to pull it down from this side here, from this spot. So use your fingers, 2 of them ideally, in order to make it easier, and just pull it down like so. Once you pull it down, you can just open it. Now let's grab our battery. Over here you can find those pins, I guess, at the bottom of this slot. So you need to simply match it with the battery and just insert the battery, push it down. It should go in really easily. Close the side door like so, just push it, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!